If you watched the last video, you already know the three ETFs: VOO, SCHD, QQQ. Simple, clean, powerful. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people will invest for 10 years and still not be able to live from it. Not because they picked the wrong ETFs, but because they never turned it into a system. And this is exactly where everything breaks. Because buying ETFs is not a strategy. It is just the starting point. Anyone can buy. Almost nobody knows what to do after. They build a portfolio. They watch it move. They wait. And years later, nothing really changes. No income, no freedom, just numbers going up and down. So let's fix that. Because today, we are not talking about what to buy. You already did that. We are talking about how to turn it into something that actually works. A system, something that runs in the background, without you needing to constantly think about it. Because here is the shift most people never make. You do not retire because your portfolio goes up. You retire because your portfolio pays you consistently, predictably, without needing perfect timing. Growth feels good, but cash flow is what actually changes your life. And if your portfolio does not eventually produce income, you do not have a retirement plan. You just have investments. So the goal is not just to invest. The goal is to build something that turns into income over time. And to do that, you need to understand how the system evolves, because this is where most people fail, even though it looks simple. At the beginning, you are not investing for income. You are investing to build size. This is your growth phase. VOO and QQQ carry most of the weight here. And here is the rule most people break. You invest consistently, every week, every month, no matter what. Market crashes? You invest. Market goes up? You invest. Bad news? You invest. Good news? You invest. Because in this phase, consistency beats intelligence. And this is the part nobody likes. It feels slow. Nothing exciting happens. No visible breakthrough. No big results. And this is where most people get it completely wrong. They think something is broken, when in reality, nothing has had time to work yet. This is actually the phase where the system is forming. Quietly, in the background, every investment stacking, even when it feels invisible. And then something starts to shift, not dramatically, but enough to notice. Your portfolio begins to do more of the work. Your contributions still matter, but they are no longer everything. And this is exactly where most investors destroy their progress. Because impatience shows up. They start questioning everything. They start looking for something better. They start comparing themselves to others. And this is where the system either survives or collapses. Because right here, you introduce the second engine, SCHD. Now you are not just building size, you are building income. At first, it is small, almost easy to ignore. A few dollars, maybe a little more. And this is where most people make the wrong move. They either ignore it or they rush it. They think it does not matter yet, or they try to maximize it too early. And both destroy progress. Because this is not about the amount, it is about the behavior. This is the moment your portfolio starts doing something new. It starts paying you. And when you reinvest that income, something powerful begins. Those dividends buy more shares. Those shares produce more dividends. And now your system has two forces working together: growth and income. This is where everything strengthens. This is where volatility becomes easier to handle. This is where the system becomes more stable. But here is the trap, and almost everyone falls into it. They see income, and they want more, faster. So they chase higher yield. They jump into something else. They try to speed things up. And without realizing it, they break the system because they sacrifice growth for short-term income. And that slows everything down. This is the mistake that keeps people stuck. Not bad investing, but impatient investing. So instead, you stay balanced. You do not overreact. You do not chase. You let growth continue. You let income build. You let the system develop. And then something happens. Somewhere between year 5 and year 10, This is where everything changes. Because now, compounding becomes real. Not something you read about, something you actually feel. Dividends come in, they get reinvested, they buy more shares, and those shares start producing income of their own. And this is where the system becomes something different. You are no longer pushing it forward. It is pulling you forward. This is the part most people never reach, because they quit when it feels boring, or they restart when it feels slow. But if you stay consistent, this is where the curve starts to bend. Now here is the shift that turns this into a real retirement system. You stop reinvesting everything, and you start using part of the income, not all of it. That is the mistake. Because if you take too much, you weaken the system. But if you take nothing, you never feel the benefit. So you find the balance. Some income is used, some continues compounding. And now your portfolio starts doing two things at once. It supports your life and continues to grow. Let's make this real. Imagine you have been investing consistently for 10 years. Not perfectly, just consistently. At that point, your portfolio is no longer small. It has reached a level where it produces real income, not fantasy numbers, not hype, real cash flow, enough to start covering real expenses, maybe your phone bill, maybe your groceries, maybe part of your rent. And this is where everything shifts, because now your portfolio is no longer just growing, it is contributing. And here is where it accelerates, because now your investments are helping fund themselves. The income buys more shares. Those shares generate more income. And every year after that, the gap between effort and results gets bigger. This is the turning point. Because now, you are no longer building wealth. Wealth is building itself. And this is what most people never experience. Not because it is complicated, but because they do not stay consistent long enough. They chase trends, they switch strategies, they reset the process again and again, while someone else, doing something simple, keeps moving forward. And after 10 years, the difference is massive. Not because they were smarter, but because they stayed in the system. So instead of asking, how do I retire faster? Ask something better. How do I build something I will not quit on? Because if you find that, you do not need anything else. If this changed the way you think about investing, subscribe to Money Quest Broker. And one more thing. This video is for educational purposes only. Investing involves risk, and different strategies perform differently depending on market conditions. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.